Time, money, and our resources are precious to us. So we want to spend as little of our resources as possible on security. Security is not the end goal. The goal is to be getting on with the things that we want to actually do, like maybe surfing the web or writing an email or running a business. Most organizations are not in the business of security. Security is simply an enabler to do business and to do the things that we want to do. We don't want to do security for the sake of it. We don't want to apply too much security or too little security. We want to optimize our use of our resources so that they optimally protect our assets. I want you to get your best return on investment in terms of your resources when it comes to applying security. So the aim should be to protect what you value most and apply enough security so that you can do the things that you want to do safely online, or so that the business can function within acceptable levels of risk. So let's now do a simple thought experiment. Either for yourself personally, you can think about this for the thought experiment, or you can think about maybe in the context of an organization or a service or application. We're going to think about in the context of this thing that you want to protect. Consider their files, their emails, their accounts, and ask yourself, what is most confidential? What can't you afford to lose? What is irreplaceable? What could cause the most damage? What might impact your reputation? We could think in terms of things like photos, credit card details, bank account details, personal identifiable information, PII, account information, maybe social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, Amazon, PayPal, your primary or main email accounts, Bitcoin wallets and other cryptocurrency wallets, cryptocurrency exchange account details, browser history, secret or confidential files and data, password information, financial records. Think about if they were stolen, destroyed, or encrypted so that you couldn't use them or get access to them, or maybe placed on the internet and revealed to everyone to see. Perhaps put in the hands of cyber criminals and the potential they have to do something with them. This thought experiment should start to guide you towards the things that are of most value to you or the organization or the object that you are considering in this security context. To apply effective security, you must know what you value and how much you value it. You must understand the security objectives for that asset. For example, do you not want it stolen? Do you not want it destroyed? Must it be available to you at all times? The things that we value, we will refer to them as your security assets. The things that we value, your assets. As we go through the course, you will apply security to the assets that you value, and you will concentrate your security efforts on the assets that you value the most and that are at the greatest risk. There's little point, for example, spending hours trying to back up files you can replace and not taking special care of files that you cannot. You want, for example, to apply maybe two-factor authentication to accounts that you care about, and maybe not waste time with two-factor authentication on accounts of little value. So security has its context. If you have assets in your mind now that you're thinking about as we've gone through the thought experiment that you want to protect or considering protecting, as a practical exercise, write down those assets. Then, as you go through the course, think about how you protect them with the security controls we discuss, or whether you can protect them with the security controls that we discuss, and update your list as you go through the course.